Again, boys and girls, at this moment we're going to talk about a new math learning called subtraction, and it's minus, and we've all learned addition. You've done really well with your dice addition and putting things together. That's what addition is. Subtraction is the opposite. Subtraction is taking things apart, away from each other. So I'm going to use my little, I have my other whiteboard at school. This is my children's chore chart when they were little, but I can still use it to help you learn subtraction. So when you subtract, you start with a number of something. So I'm just going to make 5 dots here. 4, 5. You see my 5 dots? So now the first number that I'm going to write is 5 because I have 5 dots, right? So I'm going to write a 5. Now when we learned addition, we learned this symbol. We knew that that said put plus or put things together, but we're not going to use that symbol now. For minus or take away, you use this symbol. It's just a straight line like that. So now I'm going to do my takeaway. I've got 5. I'm going to pretend they're blueberries because they're blue, okay? So I'm going to pretend that someone came along and ate 2 of my 5 blueberries. So I'm going to cross them out like this. 1, 2. So now I use my minus symbol like this. And I started with 5. How many did someone eat? You're right, they ate 2. So I'm going to write a 2. My pen's not working so well. So far I have 5 minus 2. And then just like in addition, we put equals. So then I want to count how many blueberries are left. Someone ate 2 of mine. How many are left? Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write 3 right here because that tells me how many blueberries I still have left to eat later when I get hungry. So let's read this number sentence together. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's do it again. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So I'm going to have you practice this with your parents. You can get out a piece of paper, or if you have a whiteboard like this, and you can just use dots like I did. If you want to draw like little apples or something, that would be fun too. And see if you can get all the way up to 10, like 10 minus whatever equals whatever. That's the standard to get ready for kindergarten, because we want to be able to get ready for kindergarten, right? So parents, go ahead and get a whiteboard out or some paper, and this is exactly how I would like the children to practice learning subtraction. It'd be a really fun thing to do together, and I'll try to find some games to go with it. All right, happy subtracting.